Hello there. Welcome to level 1 of the Baby Shark piano tutorial. Before we jump into the right hand, let's quickly review our middle C position. So, let's find our two black keys. I like to call those the doghouse. Start all the way at the bottom. We're going to count up 4 sets of them. So the fourth doghouse. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now, this doghouse is where the dog lives. So let's take our second finger, that's our pointer finger, and we're gonna go to the white key between those two black keys, and that's our D for dog. Right, so you'll see our dog right over here. And right beside it, to the left, is the cat, which is C. Okay, so C for cat, but we're gonna be on C4 right here. So we're looking again for those two black keys, the doghouse, going to the left of those, and that's our C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, so one finger per key. Great. Take a moment to find middle C. If you need to pause or go back, feel free to do so. And now that you've found it, let's move on. So, our right hand is going to be playing 4 different notes in Baby Shark. We've got our C, our D, and our F. So let's go ahead and find those real quick. C, D, and F. Now we have our 4th note, which is going to be E. You might think those are out of order, but that's because we only use that E once every time we play it again. It's for the last Baby Shark. Baby Shark ends on an E. Okay, now the finger numbers for those are 1, 2, 4, and 3. So again, C, D, F, and E. Alrighty, so now we're ready to practice our rhythms. So find a spot for you to tap along, or you can clap, or I would recommend tapping. You can tap on your piano bench, it could be on your lap, it could be on your chest, or it could be on the piano above where the keys are. Okay, find somewhere that works for you. Okay, so we're gonna tap first, this green text right here, starting with shark and then the do's. Okay, so shark, do, 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 do. Okay, so starting right there. I'll go first and then it's your turn. Okay, so my turn first. 1 and 2 and here I go. Shark, do, 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 do. Okay, now I'm gonna play it, but you're still gonna tap it. One more time, my turn, and then it'll be your turn. Here we go. 1 and 2 and here I go. Shark, do, 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 do. Okay, so now get ready. It's gonna be your turn. Sing or say the words along while you're tapping it. That way you can really get a feel for the rhythm here. Okay, so here we go together. 1, 2, here we go. Shark, do, 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 do. Very good. Now, if you need to practice that again, go ahead and rewind. All right, so now let's go ahead and add in our baby. Okay, so the shark, do, 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 do's are all the same in each of the lines there, okay? But the babies are a little bit different between the first and the other lines, okay? So this first one, I'll show you. It's 1 syllable for each beat. Got it? So 3, 4, here I go. Baby shark. You try it now. Here we go. Baby shark. Great tapping. Now, let's talk about the next one. These ones are going to be 1 beat right here. So these 2 syllables in 1 beat. So it'll sound like this. 1, here I go. Baby shark. Okay, so it's a little bit different. Now your turn. Let's try that. 1, ready, go. Baby shark. Okay, so there we have it. Let's go ahead and try the whole first line now. So again, 1 syllable per beat for the first baby. Here we go. 3, 4, ready, go. Baby shark, do 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 do. Very good. And now the second line. 1. Here we go. Baby shark, do 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 do. Now again together. 1. Here we go. Baby shark, do 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 do. All right, awesome. Now let's go ahead and see if we can put together the first 3 lines. But before we do that, this last little bit, baby shark. Let's try that real quick. Baby shark. Notice that it's the same rhythm as these ones right here. Okay, so it's just gonna end off this last bit. Okay, so let's take the whole thing, the rhythm. I'll play it. You go ahead and tap along for now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Tap. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Very nice. Let's do that one more time. Here we go, making sure you're tapping along, and singing or saying the words along helps a lot too. Here we go. 3, 4, ready, go. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Awesome. So that's our rhythm. Okay. Now before we transfer that to the piano, let's get a close-up real quick. Shake out your right hand for me and let it hang to your side, and then very slowly bring it up. Notice how it's in very nice, relaxed, naturally curved hand here. So it's not in a claw, and it's not extended or flat fingers, but this nice rounded shape, okay, like we're fitting an apple underneath it. Okay, so then once we've got that, let's find our middle C position again. Find C, D, and F, and E as well. Now, we also have to talk about our wrist. So, our wrist has to be firm and flexible, but not flimsy, okay? No flimsy wrist, that means no going super far up and down and having a super loose wrist like this, okay? We want a firm and flexible wrist. That way we have control over what we're playing. Okay, so I'm going to play just the first line here. Watch my wrist and also watch my fingers. Here I go. All right, so notice how my wrist was bouncing but not flying everywhere, right? And also notice that my fingers were all touching these keys, even though I was using mostly 4th finger on F, right? My other fingers are still touching the keys. They're not flying everywhere, okay? That's gonna help you maintain control and accuracy with your playing. So, with those 2 considerations, let's head back. And we'll try just the green text again. So our shark doo-doo-doo-doo-doos. So that's gonna be F, or finger 4, right? So I'll go first, then it'll be your turn. So my turn on that. 1, 2, here I go. Shark doo 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 doo. 1, 2, your turn, go. Shark doo 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 doo. Okay. Now we're gonna add in the babies. So the red being C, orange being D, F being green, yellow being E, or 3, okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, here we go. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Again. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby Okay, very nice. You can go ahead and rewind and replay that spot if you need some more practice there. But let's go ahead and now play along to a drum beat and see how we do here. So, find your position, feel the beat. Get into position. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Now again, mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark. And we'll stop right there. Very nice. So notice that we really have to stay with the beat there and really feel the groove as we go through it. So take this time to go back through that if you need to. But once you've got that down, you'll be ready to head on to level 2 with the left hand, which I'm super excited for. So I'll see you there. Take care.